Hold me close, look me dead in my eyes, till the day that I die. I just wanna feel alive. With you, I'm alive.
Hi, be. Giniisip ko ka dyan atak kay gayakan. Hay mo. But no words feel big enough. But from heart to yours, here's what I promise for you today.
Our long-distance love journey has taught us the true meaning of love and commitment.
I promise to love you every day, even at your worst and mostly at your best, and support you in everything you want to do.
Nino, when I look into your eyes, I am reminded how lucky I am. Thank you for the amazing 7 years. Thank you for loving me unconditionally, for taking good care of me, and being consistent since day one.
I will be your husband, best friend, best enemy, but syempre, number one fan. This next chapter, with aton relationship, will be centered by God. And I will promise to love you forever and ever.
Kaya huwag kang malimot to put God always in the center of your lives. May problema ka makukukat, itsyahan ni madapat dalaganan ang Ginoong nga Diyos. Karong signon, luhod, yan, pang-amto.
I didn't know what I was looking for till I found her.
Thank you, Bea.
I'm a mess. There was nothing about that love that made sense.
Jonabel, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Nino, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
The way you're still half asleep before your first cup of coffee.
May dehera karinderya in front munisipyo. Hiya doon bantay that time. Tapos, pagkita ko iya, imbis na intindihan niya akong order, nagkinitalaya ako niya nakasmile.
O di ko diya kilala personally, pero kilala ko diya Hanawong. Nakaon man niya kantin.
Then, 4 years later, nag-scroll ako Facebook. Nakita ko nga may nakapost nga nakatagha iya. Bakin may mind. Hala, amo ni nin lalaki ha karinderya. Tapos pag-add ko iya siguro after 2 minutes, nag-wave iya ako. Tapos pag-wave niya, nag-chat iya.
Amo na to, nag-start na namon conversation nga, hello, hi.
I love you in capital letters, whatever the weather you hold.
Something special is especially caring, loving, and napaka-faithful. Faithful at loyal.
The rest of my life.
Hello Kuya, happy wedding. May the Lord showered you with abundance of blessings together with your wife, Ate Nuna. Sana magka-baby na kamo.
Songs at the top of our lungs. Didn't know that I had
Nino, every time nakikita ko ikaw, I'm always reminded how lucky I am. You treated me like a princess. Pag-aadi ka, anak ang pagiging strong independent woman, nagiging soft ako. Yung babawi mo ang mga selebrasyon na wala natin ka-celebrate like birthdays, anniversaries. Bisan may hangover ka, rain or shine, hatid sundo mo lagi hapon ako. And every time nagugulat ka haapon ha office, dani nalilate ako. Pag nalusad ako, pag nakita ka imo, wari ka reklamo, you still smile.
The first secret is to have God always in the center, hindi yung kinabuhi. That is why in every major decision that you will make as a couple, always ask God iton kung anong pinakamaupay na desisyon.
Hi, Beth. Excited na ako magkita ka niyan. Good luck ka aton kadua.
Finally, adi na kita. This is it.
And I love you. See you later.
I love you.
I knew from the start your heart fit into mine. You look like the rest of my life.
Dum, 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 dum,